Hi friend, in this tutorial I will explain how to create a C-PURLIN in Tekla structure and connected with Rafter. Now we are see this section C-PURLIN will be reach from 150 and other rest will be 800. Now we are create same this section in Tekla structure. Now we are also see C-PURLIN detail. It will be triangle and section detail. Now we are create this Tekla structure. Now we are go to Tekla structure and we are opening a Tekla structure from UK environment. Now first we are set up our work plan access. Now we are go to view and work plan. Now we are select this. We are set up our work plan with align to Rafter. Now we are go to work plan. We are detail explain work plan and view plan for my before video. Now we are creative beam. Creative beam. Now we are change this profile. It will be C Purlin. Now we change this profile. Then the color profile CC and this you can change as your requirement. Now we are change this requirement 60 15 and it will be 2 mm. Now apply this, modify. Now we are go to section. Now we are change this view plan and also change our axis. Change easily in this axis. Now we are go to section and create this purlin. Now we are move this. Now we are create a construction line as our work easily. Now we are copy from 150 from my requirement and other will be 800. Now we are move this, but we are some change because font and it will be Rafter from 10 mm up. Now we are 10 mm. It will be automatically 10 mm up from this Rafter. We are easily connected from this. Now we are copy this. Now we are apply our connection. Go to component and search one. Go to this and select Rafter and Purlin. Now double click in this middle button. Now we are change this sum in this. We are see our section and detail. It will be connected plate and 10 mm gap from this Rafter. Now we are get same this and triangle and other. Now we are change this cleat. Plate and it will be 1906 as our requirement. Now you can change this as your requirement. I change as my requirement. Now change this. Now we have worked this stay and change this step profile. It will be 50-50 as our requirement. Now you can not change. I will be change this 50 apply modify, and you can name as your requirement and change as requirement. Stay angle. Now we can some work in this switch. Now it will be as our requirement 80 and change this bolt. Now we are change our requirement and 40-80. Okay, now this angle will be length will be short section 330. Now we are input this information. Now modify. Now you cannot see this triangle, you can select this. Now you can see your triangle. So you can one side triangle, you can select this, then it will be, but we are using two side triangle. Now we are select this. Now we are change our bolt as our standard. Now you are using our standard, you can using your standard as your requirement. Now we are change this, you can this gap, but it will be control from this and go to bolt and select this C, then it will be standard. Now you can see this C-PURLIN and its triangle. In this way we are completely clearly C-PURLIN connect with Rafter. Now we are copy another C-PURLIN. Now go to section, we are see this. Now we are copy special liner. Now we are copy this and copy. It will be automatically 800 after all object will be done this. Now you can see. Now we are copy this shall mirror centering, select this and it will be angle 90, copy. Now you can also mirror this. You can copy a special liner and copy. It will be more. We are move this. No need this Purlin. In this way we are create easily C Purlin and Z Purlin easily. Thank you guys. See you again our next video.